In this video, I will show you how to unread Instagram messages. Firstly guys, I need to mention that we can get up and take a look on that fiction, but this is not unreading Instagram message. This is a session which is called mark as unread, which is also by getting up and unread Instagram messages. Now what you need to do, you need to swipe on your right upper side to get up into your chat section, and then as you can see, for example, if you go on this side, and now if you want to as you can see here, if you want to just simply unread this message, you need to tap and hold on that chat, and then as you can see, there is no option to getting up and marking on as unread. This is why you're gonna get off. You're gonna get up to your profile section, and then you need to go to your account setup, and you need to scroll right down and go for switch to professional account. Then you need to continue on all these device setups, and you can select what best describes you, or it could be the category on your account. I will go with photographer, then go done, and it says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account setup. Now what you need to select right over here, because you have free selections which are available to get up by creator or business. It is much more important if you take a look for creative for me, then go next and go not now, because it will take time on that setup. Now guys, if you get back and if you go again and swipe on your right side, and if you get back, take a look on that chat, tap and hold on it, and now as you can see, you have on the first side mark as unread. Click on that selection, and now guys, we have unreaded Instagram messages.